ClearSCADA, well, I like to think it's the next generation sort of like SCADA package. Okay. It allows visualization and control of field processes. So, and it's very easy to develop new sites, very easy to maintain sites, if the database is developed properly. So the most important thing is a consistent hierarchy, a consistent naming. For example, like you can have like different nesting levels, like for example, like region, district, plant, and then you have like an assembly, and then you have the device, and then you have the point name. As long as it's consistent across all sites, it's very easy to handle. However, like for argument's sake, if you have a scheme and some sites have a scheme and some don't, then it becomes a lot harder to query and manage because they have different levels of nesting. Also, having consistent names or makes it a lot easier to manage as well. Also, like say, when you want points across different plant or different equipment that have the same function, they should have the same name, because then like similar points are very easy to locate. If we have consistent naming across devices, assemblies, plant, so then it's possible to create templates. This reduces what's called the number of objects in the database, and it allows for extremely fast site development, because say for argument's sake, if you got a pump, well, you might have say 5 or 6 or 10 different types of pumps. It doesn't really matter, but if all those pumps are the same, you can just basically create a new instance of that template, and it's very easy to populate, it's very easy to maintain. Essentially efficiency, and it makes it easier to do all the related tasks, say for development and maintenance. It's easier also for the operators to navigate and to operate. So, but ultimately it's development time and maintenance. That's the most significant benefits. And of course automation. It allows automation.